Hey guys, the dude from Denmark here. Welcome to episode 18 of Magic the Gathering Return to Ravnica, the new expansion that's about to come out. This episode will be the last episode I make, since this Monday there will be the full spoilers coming up on the Magic the Gathering website. So I hope you like these episodes I have been making over the past few weeks. Anyway, let's jump to the card reviews today, so let's check them out. The first card I want to show today is called Rakdos Cackler, which is a 1/1 and costs you either 1 black mana or 1 red mana. It got the Unleash mechanic, which in this case means that it can either enter the battlefield as a just 1/1 or it can enter the battlefield as a 2/2 but can block. Whether you choose to use the Unleash mechanic or not, I think it's a really nice card. A 1/1 for 1 mana is really quick to get out, just to have something on the board from the start of the game. And if you want more power, you can just use this Unleash mechanic to let it be a 2/2. But of course it can't block, but that wouldn't really matter. I think this card is a really nice card. This card I want to show today is called Bluster Scroll, which is a blue instant which costs you 1 mana to cast. Tap target creature you don't control. It got the Overload mechanic, which means that in this case you can pay 4 mana and then exchange the word target with each, which in this case means that you can tap each creature you don't control. Seriously, it's insane how good this card is. Just 1 mana to tap a target creature you don't control. That's really cheap, I think, and even the Overload mechanic is really cheap. Only 4 mana to tap each creature you don't control. I think this can, for instance, be a winning card if you got a lot of creatures out or high power creatures out, and just use this Overload mechanic, and then just clear the enemy's HP really fast with this card. So I think it's a really nice card. That's all I wanted to show today. I hope you liked this last episode of Magic the Gathering Return to Ravnica spoilers. This Monday I will be making a video where I put up a link for the full spoiler list of Return to Ravnica. So if you want to get a reminder on that, you can subscribe to me to get the video when it's done. You are more than welcome to leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of these cards we have seen so far and the blog in general. Until Monday, have fun guys.